Hey guys, we just arrived at what do you call this one? Terrazas de Flores. Yeah.
Laying with my lady on the river bank. She looked over lazy and she gave me a wink. She said there's no sense of working if it's just staying hot. So dip your toes in the water, baby, this is a spot. Well, it feels good.
Hey guys, I'm currently here at the middle of Terrazas de Flores here in Busan.
Good, good, good. So we're gonna lay back and let it ride. Here we go. Well, I bought a scratch-off ticket with a winning kind. When I saw them lucky sevens in that checkout line, I got a 12-pack big sack, carton of smokes. Now I'm dancing like I just saw the Holy Ghost. It feels good, good, good. Yeah.
We're here at Terrazas de Flores where kaulan kusog. Ano mo guys, kung nag-75 ang entrance fee, bili 100 kay promo sila.
You got them weekend warriors party all night long. You got them moonshine lovers just to getting it on. Does it make you feel happy? Does it make your heart beat? Does it make you shake it, honey? Does it make you move your feet? It feels good, good, good. Yes.
The place is very nice to chill, to have a date, and what else? Yeah, just chill.
I'm
Coffee.
gonna lay back and let it ride. Oh, it feels good, good, good. Yes, it feels right, right, right. Oh, it feels good, baby, good. So
Sorry kayo kay wala ko padala ang monopod, kaya wala ko expect na ano ang setting di ay. So, pati kaya akong mga videos kay puro selfie. Pero okay lang.